Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. So this is a very impromptu video. I'm rushing to get this done, but like I really want to look at this stuff before I leave out my house. And my hair is kind of like whatever, but we're just gonna do it. So I ordered some crystals online. You can see I got this huge box, and she almost made not made it here. You know, we got some room there with the tape, but whatever. She sustained herself. She's here. She made it. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. So I got this my first time ordering crystals. Well, no, it's not my first time. It's my second time ordering crystals online. First time ordering from a vendor that I did not know. So yeah, let's just get into it. Oh my goodness, these are all packaged so well. I'm so excited. So I have to like leave the house in like, I don't know, 20 minutes. So hopefully I can get this done. Oh, this is so pretty. So the first one, ooh, oh, she's so gorgeous. Is this nice druzy, as they call it, druzy amethyst. And you can tell the size of it compared to my head, and it's in my hand. It's so pretty. My goal is to have like a whole little amethyst situation. So that's the first one. Second piece is another amethyst. So I have a lot of amethyst pieces, and I'm probably gonna have to put these on plates. But this is the second amethyst piece. Oh, so pretty. So a lot of these are not super like purpley. They're more like, you know, lavender, lilac, dark purple. Not so like deep purple, but I really love them. Look how juicy they look. So pretty. It's so pretty. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. It's amazing. Okay, so that's the second one. Let's look at some smaller ones, because I did get some smaller ones that I'm probably going to sell. I think I'm going to keep the larger ones. I don't know yet. I have to look at all of them. So this is one that's almost like all the way around. I didn't even remember buying this. All the way around amethyst. So it has clear quartz right there, but you can see the amethyst right at the end. And it's almost all the way around, just this one little slither of agate on the side. So yeah, that's that one. I'm excited. So the thing with these live sales, like you don't see stuff too fast. Like you have to just see it, buy it, see it, buy it. So far so good. I'm excited. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed I was able to get these, and I got them on a Black Friday sale. So they were, I believe, 20% off. Ooh. Oh, this one is so freaking pretty. Like I bought so many. Oh, clean too. Like it's really clean on the back. That is so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna start selling crystals on my site. It's a little bit of like, I think it already came like this. It's like a few pieces kind of broken off in the cluster, but otherwise it's so pretty. And I love that you can see the clear quartz. So gorgeous. So that's the second one. Let me kind of line these up out of the way, because I do have small children who like to just be all up in your space. So let me move these out the way. All right, and I'm holding on to these because like I said, I'm going to be starting to sell crystals, and I want to just be as sustainable as possible. So I'm probably going to be reusing this bubble wrap. All right, so the next piece, oh, these are two pieces. So pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So these, you can see them. I know they're all amethyst. Oh, but look at this, look at that. You can see all of it all on the side. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So pretty. I'm feeling the intentions. I'm feeling the energy already. I'm loving it. So in love, yeah. I'm so blessed to have gotten these, because I've been looking on this retailer's on their lives for a minute, and I just was not able to claim anything. And then I went to work one night. Oh, this is so pretty. And I guess their internet connection was good enough for me to actually claim something. So at home it was like a lag. So this one is kind of like sits up, but you can see it's the dark, deeper purples in there. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then that's the bottom, and then the side, the top part. So you can lay it like this. She's cute. Ooh, it looks even deeper when you look at it. Wow. That's amazing. And these do have some chips in them. But oh, and they got like a little crater in the middle. That is amazing. It's interesting to actually see them, because when you're buying them, you really cannot see them that well. So now, I mean, I bought a lot for my first time buying from them. But now I kind of have an idea of how they look. I'm okay with it. Oh, so a little piece, did a piece fall off? I don't know, yeah. Woo! I can hear some of it kind of falling out. So pretty. Oh, it broke. It broke. But it actually broke kind of cute. So this one broke, but I'm okay with it. So it broke off there. You can, oh, you can see in the back, it wasn't just like this full sheet of agate. Can you all see it? So it's like right there, you can see more of the amethyst kind of peeking through. So it was a little weaker back there, I guess, but that's fine. It actually broke pretty nicely the way it broke, and I could still sell this. I might make this into a necklace. That'd be a really pretty necklace. But you can see this is real cluster-y, real shiny, real pretty. And I'm probably gonna put her on a plate to stand up. Ooh, it's so pretty, a little stand. So gorgeous. Wow, this is such a blessing. Oh my goodness, this is such a blessing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna maybe wrap something around this part and make it into a necklace. Yeah, so pretty. Got that. So yeah, I got a lot of amethyst. I did get a few other pieces other than amethyst, but I'm just gonna get through the amethyst now. Ooh, what time is it? Okay, I'm doing good on time. And yeah, these are gonna be on my site. I'm probably gonna put them on my Etsy site, and then once I start getting, like, kind of seeing, like, okay, is this something I really want to do? Are people buying stuff? You know, how's it going with my timing and with school starting? So if you all don't know, I'm an LPN, which is a licensed practical nurse, and I just got accepted into an RN program. Thank you. So I'll be starting that in January. So this would be a good way for me to still bring in money and do something that I really love while in school, instead of having to actually go pick up shifts working as a nurse. I won't have to pick up as many, hopefully, if I'm doing this business. Hold on, baby. Oh. So this is another one. So pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. And you can see all of that clear quartz all on the side of it. Nice, big, chunky. She's so chunky. Just thick with it. Oh, I thought that was all the amethyst. Oh, she gave me some free stuff. So she gave me a body butter, Jamaican Me Crazy body butter. Okay. Whoa. It smells good. It's purple, of course, for amethyst. Let me put a little bit on me. Wow, that smells really good. I might keep this in the car for work. I thought that was all the amethyst that I bought. I guess not. Hold on, baby. Mommy. Maddie. Mommy doing a video, okay? You gotta be careful. Okay. So, I guess I got one more amethyst. I got a lot of freaking amethyst. Oh. Where did my scissors go, Madison? Okay, I misplaced my scissors. So, let me get this one.
What's this?
It's a crystal.
Wow. It's inside.
Man, where my scissors go?
Where's scissors go?
I don't know what I did with them.
You open it.
This one is so big and so heavy. Woo.
It's so.
Oh yeah, I remember buying this one. So, whoa, look at the back of it.
Look at that, mommy.
Whoa.
Look.
So you can see like this like web
Hi.
that's formed in the back.
Hi.
Okay, he's saying hi, Maddie. They can't see you. And then this is the actual amethyst. It's pretty.
Yes.
It's really pretty. Here, why don't you come over here next to me? Come over here.
Okay.
Stand over. Yeah, sit over here so they can see you. Madison got half her hair did, but she's still cute.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so this one can probably, I don't know if it can stand up. It might be able to stand up with a little gangster lane. But, oh, she's gorgeous. So that is the side. Ooh,
Some
this one is
crystals.
so pretty. She's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
Yes, and the clusters are really big. So that's what I got. I also got, well, I'm gonna take this with me. This is my favorite stone, one of my favorite stones, which is, this is the first stone I ever fell in love with. Oh, and it's so cold.
Hi.
Is Lapis
It's
lazuli.
so cold.
Yes, Lapis lazuli.
Lapis.
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 Lapis lazuli. It's really good for your higher chakras. And it has some pyrite in there. You can see that little gold part is the pyrite.
I got this one.
Oh, you got another one? Okay, this is, she want to show you the other one. This is the other one we got, but we didn't buy this today. This is the labradorite.
Hi.
They can't, you got to come over here for them to see you, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, you see? Now they see you.
Hi.
So that's what I got, that one. And then I also got
Here we go.
a apatite. I should have got a bigger apatite one. Apatite is for your appetite.
Hi. I got this.
It helps with regulating your appetite, and it has other qualities too that I need to look into. I was mostly looking at blue apatite. I know blue apatite helps with dreams, lucid dreaming,
Wow.
but this is a regular apatite. It's real, got a lot of clarity to it.
Mommy, it's so small.
It is so small and it's real clear.
Look,
I'll put it back here so I do not lose it, so I can keep up with it. And then she says that you got clear
I got
quartz points and body butter made by JJ James Treasures Jams. Okay, JT Jams Treasures is the name of the body butter. And then also some smaller clear quartz points for free. So that's awesome.
I got this.
And these are perfect for using in crystal gritting. And then also you could put them.
I got this.
Yeah, I see you, baby. You got another one. You could also put these in your plants too to help your plants, you know, get some of that crystal healing. Return them back to the earth. So, so that's what I got. I spent about, with 20% off and shipping, I got all these amethysts. Let me show y'all the amethysts that I got. In their full beauty, their full glory. Put this in here so I don't forget it. And put that back there with their crystal friends. I'm gonna sage all of these. I don't know if I'm gonna sage them or palo or if I'm gonna do incense. I don't know, but I'm gonna clean them real good. Hello. I'm gonna clean them real good and take some great photos. Decide what the heck I'm gonna sell and look at the price and try to get an idea how much I need to price them for and put them on my site. So I'm so excited. So let me show y'all what we got. Oh, watch out, Maddie. Didn't I say you to put these to the side because I got little critters running around? So this is what I got.
Look, Mommy.
I know, Maddie, you putting all your good energy into it.
Yes. Got blocks.
Yes, crystals.
It's so big.
It is. Be careful.
Wow. It's so big.
Are we so blessed to have beautiful crystals? That's such a blessing, yeah. Such a blessing, yeah. It really is. So yeah, this is all that I got from the live show. I'm so blessed. This one for sure is gonna be my put it down, baby. I don't know which ones we're gonna keep, but I'm for sure gonna keep that one. I probably will keep this one too.
What's that?
And this one. I don't know yet. But that's a crystal. That's amethyst.
Wow, look.
So pretty.
So pretty.
Yep.
And now what's this?
That's another amethyst crystal. So that's what we got along with the other items I showed you at the end. That's a that is a, I was putting my incense on there. That's a candle, the top to a candle.
Look.
So yeah, I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are able to support the channel by going onto my shop and getting some crystals. Hey, Maddie, that's enough. Leave them alone. That's enough. We're gonna have a whole lot more broken crystals to sell. Hold on, baby. I hope you all can support the channel by going over to my site. I also sell earrings as well. I guess I should have these on, but I also sell handmade earrings too, which I need to revamp my earring game, like some photos and stuff for you all and re-promote those. I probably should do that before I go into my crystals, right?
I got this.
No, we're gonna do what we want to do. That's so pretty. That's labradorite.
Yes,
But yeah, let me know what type of crystals you all want to see in the shop.
Mommy,
Do you like
I got
more
colors.
tumble pieces, raw pieces? I, for one, was looking for more pieces that I can use like
Mommy,
as a
I got
backdrop.
colors.
I see it, baby. Can I talk?
Yes.
Hold on. I was looking more for pieces like show pieces that you can see that are kind of big in my backdrop. That's why I got bigger amethyst pieces. Because I do have a lot of tumbled and raw pieces that are smaller. I just want to have more bigger pieces.
This.
And also get some smaller pieces too, because I'm really getting into crystal gritting.
Look, Mommy.
And just, that's so pretty. And then getting crystals that I don't have. So sometimes you go and you get the same crystals all the time. So I want to get some crystals that I don't have, even though I do have all these crystals, except for I don't have the regular apatite. So the one that I had, lost it as soon as I bought it. Oh, that's so pretty. She said, look, yeah, look at that one.
Look at that one.
Juicy. Oh my
Juicy.
God. Like this should be like,
Die.
okay, put it down, baby. It's heavy. This should be like a body like cream, like this color, like all over your body. Put it down, baby. Put it down. Let's relax. Let's leave them there, okay?
Okay.
Would be perfect. So that's that. I'm gonna hopefully be able to buy some more amethyst because I know amethyst goes really well. You all love amethyst. I know I do. It's like one of the most popular crystals out there. I'm gonna buy some more this week. And then hopefully I can buy some. So support the channel by going on there, also watching my videos, like, comment, and subscribing, sharing them with other people. I feel extremely blessed to be able to purchase these items and to be able to sell them. So I have a lot of gratitude to be able to do that, like, honestly. And I'm grateful to share with you all on this platform. So thank you so much for all your support, for your love. And I just really appreciate y'all, like, honestly, I do.